while I was here, we were able to do on research ethics. When we're talking about agricultural biotechnologies, the issue or the demeanor or the misinformation about GMOs has been very rife, and societies are fighting, not not sure what GMOs is about. So the issue of ethics comes in very clear. How will the scientists, what they have gotten from their labs or their fields, going to benefit the small scale farmer? And how will the farmer receive this information? So the issues of ethics come in very clear on that. And what has been before is we do our own things in our own place, in our own silo, and the farmer is doing his own, trying to understand how these climate change issues are coming in. So what has been the missing link is the communication of what we are doing in our labs with the farmer, getting to benefit from it. And is GMO that bad? That's a question they keep asking. So the issue of ethics come in because part of the principles of ethics is justice, fair treatment, and benefit, being beneficence about it. How do we get to benefit the farmer at the bottom when we are not, adhering to the ethics aspect? So how do we communicate? That's the first bit. How do I communicate to remove the misconception that GMOs kill or GMO cause cancer? How do I communicate the process of creating and getting this GMO to the market? That there's a whole process that the farmer may not know, but needs to know how that is being done. The first myth, everybody thinks the GM cassava, that I was expecting a huge trunk in terms of a cassava tuber. But that's not true. It's the same cassava as the normal one. And I think that seeing it is as normal as it was, that that light bulb moment where you say, you reckon, at least now I can tell somebody. I took a photo to be able to demystify those who think it's those fat, big tubers that people have GMO in their mind with. There are those who came with disbelief. And I was looking at how their eyes are changing and the disbelief disappearing. Oh, this is what there is possibility, so I can use this. The possibility of what they have seen has changed the myth. For me, that's exciting to see transformation right under my nose.